Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Hook. I'm super excited to share some big updates with you today, but before we dive into the latest and greatest in the airdrop world, I've got something extra special for you, a giveaway. That's right, it's time to give back to this amazing community, and I'm making it as easy as possible for you to get in on this freebie. Free giveaway alert. Want to win $50 without lifting a finger? Well, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. 1. Watch the entire video, don't skip. 2. Like this video and of course, share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. 3. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you don't want to miss future giveaways and airdrop updates. 4. Leave a comment down below telling me, why do you want $50? Once we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll pick a random winner from the comments to receive at least $50 straight to their wallet. It's that easy. So go ahead and smash that like button now. Now, let's talk about something really exciting, the Agent Airdrop. If you're into airdrops, you already know the drill. You can win big or sometimes walk away with small rewards. But what if I told you there's an airdrop that's about to drop rewards that could cover all your past profits and losses combined? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, buckle up because I'm here to tell you all about it. Today, we're diving deep into Agent 301, a popular play-to-earn P2E game on Telegram that's been creating quite a buzz in the crypto community. Many players are eager to see what will come from this exciting project as it heads toward its token generation event, TGE, which will introduce the game's token to the broader market. Let's unpack the latest updates, gameplay, and ways to maximize your experience and rewards in Agent 301. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon for updates on more crypto and P2E content like this. Recent updates. With these updates, Agent 301 has expanded, making the game richer and more engaging. One of the major updates involves optimizing the mini-app within the game, allowing players to collect points, complete tasks, and track their progress more effectively. And this isn't just a game for a handful of enthusiasts. The player base has seen impressive growth, jumping from around 5 million monthly users to over 11 million. That rapid increase in user adoption speaks volumes about the potential of Agent 301, and with more players joining every day, it's an ideal time to get involved. When you launch the mini-app within Agent 301, you'll land on the homepage, where you can view your total agent points and check out your stats. I currently have about 1.7 million agent points, but there are plenty of ways to increase that balance. You can click on the View Score button to see additional stats, such as the number of messages sent on Telegram. Much like other social games, Agent 301 integrates your interactions with the platform, allowing you to earn more points based on your engagement. Additionally, each day offers opportunities to receive rewards for various activities. For instance, completing simple tasks and engaging with the game consistently can earn you thousands of agent points. You can also opt to buy additional points if you want to boost your progress faster, although I would advise caution here as it involves real money. For instance, 150,000 agent points cost 250 Telegram stars, and higher packages, like 50 million AP, cost much more. It's entirely up to each player, but remember that investing in airdrops or points always involves some risk. Connecting your wallet and earning points. One of the essential steps in Agent 301 is connecting your wallet. This is critical if you're looking to cash out your rewards when the game's token lists on exchanges. Once you've linked your wallet, you can complete a series of steps to earn extra agent points. For example, you can register and complete KYC on BitG, which is Agent 301's partner platform, to earn 15,000 agent points. Similarly, following BitG on X, formerly Twitter, will get you 5,000 AP. Completing these simple steps can help you stack up more points without spending any money. The game's mini-games, Wheel of Fortune. Currently, the primary game within Agent 301 is the Wheel of Fortune. With each spin, you can win prizes like agent points, tokens, or additional tickets that allow for more spins. It's a fun and easy way to accumulate points, and all it requires is a few clicks. The more tickets you have, the more times you can spin the wheel and win rewards. There are additional games planned, and the team has hinted that more mini-games are on the way, So keep an eye out for those updates as they'll likely bring even more opportunities to earn. Daily tasks for extra points. Aside from playing games, you can earn agent points by completing daily tasks. These tasks are refreshed every day and offer a consistent way to grow your points balance without spending any money. One of the key tasks is the Z over 30 task, which involves watching short videos to earn 5,000 agent points each day. You can watch up to 30 videos daily, making it an easy and profitable way to grow your points. In addition to videos, there are a variety of other daily tasks you can complete, each with its own reward. Referral system. If you're interested in sharing the game with friends, Agent 301 has a referral system that rewards you with additional agent points for every person who joins through your link. It's an excellent way to boost your progress and share the game with others, so if you know friends who would enjoy Agent 301, make sure to share your referral link with them. Token Generation Event, TGE, and Listing Rumors. Now let's talk about the big question on everyone's mind, the TGE and potential listing date. There's been a lot of chatter around an upcoming listing on October 30th, 2024. However, after some investigation, it seems that this date is unconfirmed. Despite the excitement, I haven't found any official announcements in Agent 301's official Telegram channel or website to support this rumor, so it may be more realistic to anticipate a listing later this year or even early next year. Nonetheless, the TGE is expected to be a significant event for all players, and the developers have hinted that they're planning some major announcements. If you haven't joined Agent 301 yet, now is a great time to jump in. The project is growing rapidly, and with the TGE on the horizon, there's a lot of excitement in the community. You'll find the link to join the game in the description below, along with our channel's Telegram link, where you can stay up to date with the latest news. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Agent 301, please support the CryptoHook channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you never miss an update. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below if you're already mining agent points or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.